If you're a pharmacist trained outside of Australia, or even if you've studied here as an international student, you might be wondering what a skills assessment outcome is. The Australian Pharmacy Council assesses the skills and knowledge of pharmacists to make sure everyone here meets the standards to provide safe and effective care. The skills assessment outcome is an official document that demonstrates that we have assessed your skills and qualifications and determined that it is comparable to Australia's standards. This document is for migration purposes. It is mandatory for some types of visas and supports the application for other types of visas. But remember, a skills assessment outcome does not guarantee employment or a visa in Australia. You don't need this document for your pharmacist registration. You need your successful exam results for registration with APRA. So how do you get your skills assessment outcome? You will need to go through the skills assessment process with us at the Australian Pharmacy Council. You will complete an eligibility check. This is where we assess and verify your qualifications. If you're an international student that studied in Australia, you can get your skills assessment outcome after we have verified your qualifications. If you have studied outside of Australia, you will also then need to sit an exam. Once you have completed and successfully passed your exam, you can then apply for your skills assessment outcome. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for it to be sent to you after you have paid and requested your skills assessment outcome. You can then use this document for migration purposes. Our candidate relationship team are here to answer any questions. We wish you the best on your journey.